I'm always looking for more uses for my tiniest scraps of fabric. I'm also quite fond of perpetual calendars and other little quirky projects like this. You need fusible interfacing, fabric scraps, felt scraps, fabric glue, magnets, and a stronger glue like E6000. I also use both fabric scissors and pinking shears. On cardstock or another thick paper, draw a banner shape. Mine is a rectangle of about 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches, from which I cut a triangle out of the bottom. Trace your banner shape onto fusible interfacing and cut it out. Fuse it onto your scrap fabric. Use the pinking shears to trim the edges. Cut out a number or letter from felt. Use fabric glue to adhere it to your banner. Let it dry according to the instructions on your glue. Once it's dry, use a strong glue to attach a magnet to the back. Let that dry too. Now you're ready for your magnet board banner. You can make any message you want for your magnet board, but if you'd like to make a perpetual calendar like me, you will need the following letters and numbers. Thank you for watching this OFS project. See you next time!